What is up, guys? It is Nice Draven. Grab a snack and drink and watch me carve this spooky pumpkin. I already drew the face on the pumpkin, planned out some sketches ahead of time. I'll show them on the screen. Now all we just need to do is cut open the top of the pumpkin and disembowel him. I will be saving the seeds for a recipe later on. Enjoy this ASMR pumpkin cuts. Next, I'm taking an X-Acto knife to outline the eyes. The knife won't go all the way through, but it will be a good way to get the small details carved out. Now I'm going in with a bigger knife and stabbing it so I can pop his eyes out. I'll be doing the same process to the rest of the face. The teeth were a little tricky since it had a lot of details, but by working slow and patiently, it helped. Next, I want to make my pumpkin look creepy and burnt. I'm using black eyeshadow all over his face and on the indentations on the front of the pumpkin. This will give the pumpkin more definition and creepiness. You could also use pastels, but all I had laying around was eyeshadow. Also, my cat Prince was curious to see how the pumpkin is coming along. I added pumpkin pie spice to the top of the pumpkin and it smelled amazing while it burned. Thank you for checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween goodness. Have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!